Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object video, and this time we have a hat. So here it is. It is not a tutorial and it is not a pattern whatsoever. I did not write down the pattern. It was an impulse. I got a fingering weight yarn minis from a friend during the advent calendar in December. I know it's May. I actually finished knitting this hat in January and somehow I just forgot to show it to you. Literally today I just sewn a tag over here for 2019, and what else I can say? So I hold the fingering double and I used, I think it was size 4, which is 3.5mm needles to knit this hat. And as you could see, I did a small brim and I folded, and then I was knitting until I ran out of yarn. I did not really pay attention to the beginning of the round. Once I figure out that, you know, the end is long enough to wave in end at the end, I started another color, but for the changeover in the color I was doing some slip stitches, so I'm not sure, are you able to see it? Let me know down below. Can you see slip stitches? And then I did a basic, I call it a seashell crown decrease, and yeah, that's that. And I really enjoyed it. The way we were playing was that we swapped minis during December or slightly before December, so we could open each mini every day, and we decided to divide the minis to a dark color and a lighter color, and we were playing with taking out first a dark color and next a lighter color. So you could see that's why I have this beautiful green over here, then I have a lighter color, and I have a darker pink, lighter color, I have a dark purple, and I have a lighter color, and then so on and so on. I know I got it a little bit long. I was too excited. So that's that. Probably I could start decreasing slightly earlier, but you know, when you have loads of fun and you don't want to stop, this is what's happening basically. If you have never knitted a hat, at the end of this video and links down below, I'm going to maybe put 2 tutorials that I have on this channel, how to knit hats the easiest way I know to knit, and hopefully you will follow it step by step and you will be able to knit hat. There are a few people who've done that, and I'm so grateful. They're telling me that it was such a fun experience. However, if you are a knitter already, I'll definitely tell you to go and check my project page on Ravelry and check what's up there. I also designed a few hats and I hope you're going to enjoy them too. Now, I think that's all. Links down below. Instagram, say hi to me, show me what you have on your needles, tag me, use #knittingalove, check that even #knittingalove, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Pleasure, not pressure.